Good morning, students, and welcome to my next video on Total English. In this video, I'll be discussing the answers of grammar exercises given in Unit 5 of Total English Class 11, latest edition. So the first assignment is on page 74. So I'll be telling you the answers of the assignment given on page 74. She will be leaving for work before the children get home from school. Leave. This you have to use the correct form of the verb leave, right? You can use suitable words or phrases. So the first one will be leaving. Akiro will be flying non-stop for 14 hours before he reaches Japan. Second one, the answer will be flying. They will have completed work on the Great Dam by the end of this decade. Radio waves from Earth will have traveled for light years before anyone picks them up. You were supposed to use the correct form of the verb travel. The president will be meeting the prime minister before flying back home. Sixth one, we will be driving to Pune next Monday. Seventh one, by this time next year, I will have written my memoirs. Right, the correct form of write you were supposed to use. Eighth one, I don't think I will be seeing him tonight. Ninth one, you will have to take these new tablets 4 times a day. 10th one, they will not have to open their instructions until midnight. Moving ahead to the next assignment, which is given on page 78. Fill in the blanks with the words given in the box. Use the correct tense in each case. The first one, this check no longer holds good. Second one, she could not hold back her tears after hearing the abusive words. Third one, keep on trying until you succeed. Fourth one, you must keep to the left of the road. 2. Fifth one, she kept back nothing from her parents. Sixth one, keep off the grass, said the gardener. Seventh one, every time we call, he hangs up. Eighth one, the police arrested the young man when they found him hanging around the Parliament House. Ninth one, please hand in all your keys before leaving the office. 10th one, the teacher handed out the notebooks. The next exercise is on common errors. This exercise is on page 79 of your books. Rewrite the following sentences correctly. Sana is cleverer of the two sisters. So Sana is the cleverer of the two sisters. Second one, both his sons go to the school. Both his sons go to school. I went to hospital to visit my sick uncle. I went to the hospital to see my sick uncle. I hope you know the rules of the definite article. So if you remember the rules of the definite article, then you will be able to solve this exercise. Third one, this is done. You will insert a definite article the before hospital. There is a school for blind in the city. There is a school for the blind in the city. Fifth one, sun is bright today. The sun is bright today. You will insert the before sun and remove a from bright, before bright. Sixth one, Joe reads Bible every day. Joe reads the Bible every day. Seventh one, I watched the film from the beginning to the end. I watched the film from beginning to end. So the will be dropped before beginning and end. This year, the Deepavali falls on a Sunday. This year, Deepavali falls on Sunday. Remove A before Sunday. Moving ahead to the next exercise, which is question number 3 of specimen paper 5. So we'll start with the exercise on transformation. That is question 3, part A. The first one. The announcement is to be made this evening. The answer is, all that one has to do is to make the announcement this evening. All that one has to do is to make the announcement this evening. Second one, as I get older, I become more irritable. The answer is, the older I am getting, the more irritable I am becoming. There'll be a comma after getting. The older I am getting, comma, the more irritable I am becoming. Third one, although he aspired for public recognition, he remained relatively unknown. The answer is, in spite of aspiring for public recognition, comma, he remained relatively unknown, full stop. In spite of aspiring for public recognition, comma, he remained relatively unknown. Fourth one, they had to spend the night in a hotel because the flight was delayed. The answer is, if the flight was not delayed, they would not have to spend a night in a hotel. If the flight was not delayed, see, there should be a comma after delayed, which I dropped. I missed it. So you please put a comma after delayed, or I'll do it. Okay. So if the flight was not delayed, here there will be a comma, right? So please do insert a comma here. Okay. I hope it is visible, right? So if the flight was not delayed, they would not have to spend a night in a hotel. Fifth one, you never know what is going to happen. Do you? One never knows what is going to happen, comma, does one. One never knows what is going to happen, comma, does one. Moving ahead to the next exercise, that is part B of question number 3. Fill in each blank with a suitable word. He is always running down his cousins behind their backs. Running down means to criticize somebody, right? In a very unkind or unfair manner. So that is run down somebody. So he is always running down his cousins behind their backs. Second one, I ran into an old school teacher in the market today. Into, the second one will be into. When the father died, the son took over the family business. Over. The third one is over. Fourth one, they often take me for my sister. For. Fifth one, my neighbor is always running out of sugar and borrowing some from me. Out. Sixth one, if they keep on torturing him, he would run away. 7th one, he had a miserable past and he never looks back on it. Back. 8th one, his business is looking up. When a situation is looking up, or when look up is used for a situation, or when something is looking up, it means that it is improving, right? So his business is looking up means his business is growing, his business is improving. When the police questioned him, he broke down and confessed. Down. The 9th one will be down. 10th one. The Second World War broke out in 1939. The 10th one is out. Moving ahead to part C of question 3. For the first time in the country, a tribal carnival will be held. The first one will be held to showcase and promote various facets of tribal culture on a large scale. There will also be a special program on traditional folk healing. The carnival will be inaugurated. The second one will be inaugurated by the Prime Minister. Third one, the carnival aims at. The answer to the third blank will be aims at showcasing. The answer to the fourth blank will be showcasing. The carnival aims at showcasing and promoting. The answer to the fifth blank will be promoting various facets of tribal culture on a wider scale. The underlying idea is to preserve. The answer to the sixth blank is to preserve various facets of the tribal life related to culture, traditions, customs, and skills, and to expose it. The answer to the seventh blank is to expose it to the general population with the view to utilize. The answer to the eighth blank will be to utilize the potential for overall holistic development of the scheduled tribes. The events during the carnival will be. The answer to the ninth blank is will be a mix of live musical and dance performances, exhibitions, display of craft, fashion show, panel discussion, book fair, etc. Around 3,000 tribals from across the country are expected to take part in the carnival. The answer to the 10th blank is are expected. With this, we come to the end of this video. If you liked the video, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you.